let me know. Hi guys, so I'm gonna try to remove this license plate here. The nails are extremely rusty and I just want to see if this works. Apparently if you spray some WD-40 and you knock the nail in, it's supposed to loosen it up and you should be able to remove it. So let's give it a shot. Of course we don't want to aim this towards the face, away from the face. Hold on, let me put this down. You need a hammer, you need your screwdriver, Phillips or Flathead, whichever the screw is. I don't know why this is not spraying. All right, so we're gonna spray it around. Let that soak in a little bit. Meanwhile, let me see. That's gonna be a Flathead. My nails are a little rusty, or screws, I mean, because they were flooded in Hurricane Ida. So I don't know if enough time has passed yet, but let's see. Just to give it a little knock. Honestly, it might need a little more time, but what do you know? Look at that! Worked like a charm. So there you go. That's how you can remove a very rusty nail. Just spray a little bit of WD-40. I love WD-40. A success. This one I had to put a little bit more muscle into.